Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Photoshop Editing with Photoshop 2020. In this video we're going to go over the course overview and what we're going to be learning throughout the course. So in section 2 we're going to cover Creative Cloud. I'll show you how to set up an account and download the Creative Cloud application. Then I'll show you how to download Photoshop 2020. In section 3 we're going to talk about tools. So we'll cover the following: the Move tool, the Rectangular Marquee tool, the Lasso tool, the Object Selection tool, the Crop tool, the Frame tool, the Eyedropper tool, the Spot Healing brush, the Brush tool, the Clone Stamp tool, the History Brush tool, the Eraser, Gradient, Blur, Dodge, Pen tool, Type tool, Path Selection, Custom Shape tool, Hand tool, and Zoom. In section 4, we're going to do a wallpaper project. So we'll go over the overview of the project. We'll set up the project files. We'll set up the Photoshop document. We'll create a background. We'll add a logo. We'll add effects. And then we'll go over the project summary. In section 5, we're going to do a thumbnail project. So we'll go over the overview of the project. Then we'll set up the project files. We'll set up the Photoshop document. We'll create a background. We'll add text, add effects, and then go over the project summary. In section 6, we're going to go over the profile picture project. So we'll go over the project overview, then we'll set up the project files, we'll set up the document, we'll add the source image, we'll crop the image, we'll add effects, we'll save for the web, and we'll do the project summary. In section 7, we'll conclude the course with the conclusion and go over a summary of the course. So with that in mind, thanks for watching. I'll see you inside the course.